Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your toggles, which are located on the right side. So pull down from the top right side, and it will give you the toggles. If you do it from the left side, it gives you the notifications instead. So make sure you do it from the right side, and from here you can expand the list and look for the screen recorder, which for me, let's see if I can find it. Oh, there it is. Screen recorder with a little camera icon on it. So once you find it, you can simply tap on it to start recording, or you can hold it, and this will take us to the settings, which I do recommend checking out the first time around. So in here we have video resolution at which it will be recording, which is set to 1080p, well, technically it's not 1080p because the aspect ratio is a little bit wider, so it's 1920 by 868 apparently, but that is the highest one. Then we have video quality, which is set to 16 megabits. I would say that is a good enough bitrate right here. You could change it higher, but I don't think anything past 32 will really matter at this resolution, so there's no point on making it go higher. By doing so, you will only take more space on your device by recording. Like each minute of the recording will take up more gigabytes with basically no additional benefit to it. Then we have orientation. I would keep it on auto. The device will automatically detect what orientation you're holding the device at the start of the recording, and that's the way it's going to be recording. Now if you change the orientation throughout the recording, it will not adjust it at that point. Then we have sound source. We have system sound, mic, or mute. So choose whichever one you want. Fixed frame rate, and then actual frame rate. So we are set to 24. By all intents and purposes, 24 is not cinematic, so change it to the highest one right here, which is 30. It's still miserably low, but it's better than 24. So there we go. And we have a couple of toggles right here, so lock screen to end, show touch gestures, and show button tops. So you can toggle them on if you want to have these additional features in the recording. I'm gonna keep this off. So once you went to the settings and customize them to your liking, you can close this, get back to the toggle itself, tap on it, and then tap on the circle to start recording. And right now it will be recording your display. Once you're done with it, you can interact with this overlay right here, select the square, and this will save the recording. Now that recording can be found either in your gallery application, or you can also tap right here on this folder icon, which will quickly take you to the folder with all the actual recordings. So let's just tap on it and view our recording. Now you can probably see on the recording 30 frames right here, still looks miserable. I can see this, it looks bad, but there we go. That is how you could record your screen on this particular phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.